Okay, hi, hello, and welcome to my channel Super Linux. So today we have a conjuncture between Jupiter and the Moon. As you can see if I zoom. So the little dot that you're seeing is Jupiter, and here we have the Moon. And let's focus, maybe it will get better. Okay, but that's the Moon. Anyway, this is the maximum. So yeah, and you can see this is a little glittering dot is the Jupiter planet. So what we're gonna do is take a picture of them, not together, but of course when we are using here a telescope. Let's turn on the lights. So because of this telescope, and which is strong, we cannot get a complete view of them together. Okay, now there are little clouds, foggy clouds from time to time. Okay, so we have to show them as fast as we can. Okay, so let's install the camera on the telescope. Okay, and yes, so I will have to shut down the lights, and in order to know where this is the moon. So we have to zoom in with the phone, and voila, this is the moon. Okay, and we have to change the focus a little bit because this needs a focusing from the telescope itself in order to get the correct focusing. And yes, we had to do something else, which is decreasing the exposure, and the little dot that you're seeing is the black dot is the reflection or the shade or the shadow, whatever, of the secondary mirror. Okay, so let's decrease the lights to minimum. Okay, light exposure, because this is the moon. The moon will have a strong light, so but Jupiter won't have. So yeah, so this way we can capture the moon. Okay, now we go towards Jupiter. We have to turn on the laser beamer, okay, the pointer, and here's Jupiter. This little thingy here, okay, is Jupiter. Now of course I have to increase the light exposure in order to capture more lights from the reflection or the lights of the surrounding moons. Okay, hopefully we can catch them. Yeah, so it has its own okay, but I know I see, you can see little glitters, okay, little starry things. Okay, so maybe if we focus, let's change the focusing. But on this level of eyepiece I'm using, or this degree of eyepiece I'm using a 32 millimeters eyepiece, the Jupiter won't be seen with definite like things which are defining the Jupiter. Okay. So yeah, so from time to time you should see flashy dots. Those are the moons. Okay, using my own eyes I can see them, but using the camera of the phone you cannot, because this is the way of how phones or the camera on the phone, how strong it is. Okay, it's not as strong as your eyes in capturing light. Okay, so you can see that Jupiter is moving. Okay, today is the 6th of January 2022. Okay. Now if we want to really see it, we will have to change the eyepiece. Okay, that's it. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please use applications on your phones for sky maps, something like Starwalk 2 and Stellarium. Okay, and use them to guide you to where the planets are. Okay, where are they located in the sky. Okay, of course you will have to use the moon as a reference, starting reference, because that's the thing that you really know. Okay, and the rest are to you because of how small they are considered maybe to you as stars, but no, some are stars, some are planets. Planets are not flashy like the car, the car winker. Okay, the flashlights left or right. Okay, they're not like that. Okay, whereas the stars are do wink light, do flashlights. Okay, on and off, on and off, on and off. So this is how you differentiate between a planet and a star. Okay, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.